Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to remove or change the battery on your GREE air conditioner remote control. Okay, before you can do that, now let's try to read the information on the back of your remote control. So the battery size is AAA size 1.5 voltage. Okay, and to remove the battery, you see this cover lock. Just take it out, and then you will see two battery inside. Press it and take it out. Okay, and you will see the position on the battery remark on the inside of your remote control. And if you input the new battery, just follow this instruction here. Put one inside and another one back to it. Okay, so this is just for your information, and now that's it. That is all for today's video of the changing or remove the battery with your GREE air conditioner remote control. And now thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.